how to show followers on Facebook profile. So in this video, we will be guiding you step by step how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, you may open up Facebook profile, your Facebook app, and open up your Facebook profile in the interface. Now, once you open it up, you can head over to the menu bar at the top right and tap on it here. And when you tap on it, the menu opens up. And from the menu, what you can do is you can locate up the settings icon at the top right and tap on it. And once you tap on settings and privacy, from the given options, you may just scroll down and look out for this section of audience and visibility, where you should be finding an option called followers and public content. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding this option of who can see your followers on your timeline. So you just need to locate up this option, tap on it, and mine is set up to public right now. If you don't want your followers to be seen by anyone, you can click on only me and see the changes. Whereas if you only want your friends on Facebook to look out for your followers, you can select your friends and save the changes. Or if you want public, you can select public and tap on save. For now, let's head over to only me and tap on save. And once that is done, it will hide your followers from your Facebook profile. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do so. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you got any questions, you can drop them down below, and we will be seeing you in another video.